Title: Goodnight Rainy Day Tale. In a corner of a small town, clouds gather in the sky, signaling the arrival of rain. Let's don our imaginary raincoats and step into this enchanting adventure in the rain. Welcome to the world of rain, where droplets gently tap on the windows, bringing warmth and comfort. Now, let's explore the magical story within the raindrops. Hey, little snail, you've been strolling in the rain, leaving shiny trails behind. It's time to find a shelter and help the snail drift into sleep. Can you assist in tucking it away in a cozy corner? Good night, little snail. Hello, rainbow-colored frog. You've been joyfully dancing in the rain. Now, it desires a quiet place to enjoy the beautiful sounds of raindrops. Can you help it find an ideal resting spot? Good night, rainbow-colored frog. Wow, floating umbrellas. They dance like fairies in the rain. Now, they crave a quiet corner to revel in the melody of raindrops. Can you assist them in finding a dreamy place? Good night, floating umbrellas. Hi, cheerful raindrops. You've been swirling in the sky, bringing life to the earth. Now, it's time to embrace the rain and find a serene corner to enter dreams. Can you help them find a warm shelter? Good night, cheerful raindrops. Look, the birds outside the window. They sing in the rain as if telling a secret story. Now, they long for a cozy nest to peacefully sleep in the rain. Can you help them find a comforting refuge? Good night, birds outside the window. On this rainy night, as each raindrop lightly caresses, the town enters a tranquil dreamland. Let's close our eyes together, immerse in the melody of the rain, and have a cozy night. Hope you enjoy this rainy day tale.